RUROC have just announced their latest product, the RUROC Atlas 4 Race. Now this is basically based on the Atlas 4 but with an extra spoiler on the back, well, a larger spoiler on the back, not an extra one. This isn't a Sierra Cosworth. It's got better dynamics, it's got a DD ring chin strap, which means it's ACU approved and can be used on any racetrack, which is exactly what they needed to do because the fidlock system, as great as it is, isn't ACU approved, so it cannot be used on the racetrack. The visor has a rubber seal around the top to further reduce noise. I didn't think that was a problem with the 4, but you know, on the racetrack it could be. And it'll be interesting to see if that visor actually fits the existing 4.0. It'll be nice to see what the price is going to be, but I'm sure that will be on the 17th of May. Overall, it looks like a really good lid. Comes in several different colours. Thanks for watching, please give me a subscribe and a thumbs up. Ciao.